morning, y'all. Today is Friday, August the 19th. Typically I will be at work, and let me backtrack. Typically I would be at work right now, but this morning when I got up and got dressed, I looked in the mirror, and this eye right here was like bloodshot red. So whenever I see my eye that red, I automatically assume that it's pink eye. And yesterday my eye was hurting like really bad, and I ended up going to bed early because it was hurting so bad. So when I woke up this morning, it wasn't pink or red, it was just hurting. So, of course I did what I need to. I got dressed, and then by the time I went to the bathroom again to to do my hair, this whole eye was red. So, of course, the person that I typically work with, she is off today and part of next week. So the person that was taking her spot hasn't been working in that department for a while, and I didn't want to just not show up. So I called my boss. Of course, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning, so of course she's going to sleep. I end up going to work anyway. Get everything set up, make sure that when my other coworker got in, I explained everything, make sure that she was okay, make sure that we didn't have a lot of patients because I didn't want to leave her like overloaded with patients. Luckily, it was only like 6 patients on the board, so she'll be out of there by 11. And it depends if they don't come early. So, yeah. So once I got her set, I ended up coming back home. It's not red anymore from what I can tell, but it does still hurt, and it keeps getting like that crust on the side. So I decided to just go ahead and come home. I called my boss again. She finally coming back, and I let her know what had went on. So now I am out for the rest of the day, and I gotta make sure that this is nothing serious. So and I also wanted to actually show you guys something that I got in the mail. And let's see, I'm nervous to open it up because I want to make sure that it's okay first, and then once I know it's okay, I'm not going to take it completely out of the box. I'm actually going to leave it in the box. But I know you guys have seen like those antique mirrors. I wanted like one of the full-length antique mirrors, and they're like super expensive. But somehow I ended up getting this one. Oh, my eye hurts. I ended up getting this one, and I waited for it all day yesterday, like to make sure that, normally FedEx comes super early, around like 2 or 3, and I'm off around that time. So FedEx person didn't come until like 8 o'clock, and I was already asleep. So I'm going to open this with you guys so that we can see if it is okay, because I do not want to actually have something in its tour, especially a mirror. I with it. So I'm trying to see which way do I need to open this, because I just need to peek at it to make sure that it's okay. Let's see. I think it's in. I have to flip it up. And I just want to peek and make sure that it's okay. And once I know that, I'm going to take the box back up and go from there. I don't know exactly what color I got or anything like that. So I'm going to look at it. Let's see. I'm using tweezers, by the way, because these are just well, it is wrapped really easy, so it should be okay. I'm still gonna end up getting like a full parent anyway because I'm gonna put it up on a wall or try and use it like a vanity mirror. I'm not really sure, but I'll figure it out. But right now I'm going to eat and catch up on whatever little show, and if anything else comes up, I will keep it with you guys. I decided to go ahead and take it out and show you guys what it looks like. I'm not going to take it out of the bubble wrap, but this is what it looks like. The detail on the top, which I think is super pretty, very antique. It's heavy, really heavy, so it's really good quality. I was gonna look back to the back so you guys can see the back. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's by, I think it's Kate and Laura. I can see the name right there. I can't wait to be able to put this up and actually utilize it. I want to use it, but I can easily find someplace to put it. So my stuff from Amazon is supposed to be coming today, and I can't wait to be able to put my iPad in a case and get a protective cover for this because I don't want anything to happen to it. But I remembered that I had made like this digital budget tracker type thing where it's kind of like what you call it? A budget journal, so that you keep up track with all the bills that you have to pay. If you have like any like your schedules, so you know exactly what work schedule you have, or if you have anything coming up, that sort of stuff. So I couldn't use it on my phone for some strange reason, won't let me use it, but I looked on in my files, and I saw that it was still on there because I was going to re-download it from Canva, but for some strange reason I couldn't re-download it. So luckily I still had it in my files. So this show keeps catching my attention. It's called Echoes on Netflix. I downloaded Good Notes. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Look at it pop right up. Let's see. I gotta rearrange all this stuff, but I know you can see right there. There's Good Notes. You download Good Notes, and you're actually able to use that. And I actually have it as my shortcut on here. So if you see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the black and white. This one here. This is the shortcut that I made for it. And just like that, it pulls up. So this actually supposed to be for like January all the way to December. But since I'm using it now in August, it's kind of like for August. So I'm gonna show y'all. So I wanna put something in there, but I don't know what I'm gonna put there yet. It has like this blank sheet. And then this one has Monday through Fridays. This is like your weekly planner. So you put everything that you have going on for the week. And then this is my budget. Yeah, this is my budget tracker. So it has everything on there. All my bills. The due dates. The amount that I paid. No, the amount of them. The amount that I paid. And then on the notes I put if I did like the minimum amount for it, or if I paid half, I paid it completely, that sort of stuff. And then again, this is another weekly planner, same thing. This one is for next month. I kind of started on it. And then of course another weekly planner, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, I did like different colors so that it keep me engaged, and you know, I like to use it. What I'm also thinking about doing, I do have also have like a little gratitude, like a gratitude journal, electronic one. So this one has like things that makes me happy, 3 things that make me happy, 3 things that I'm grateful for, and why I should be grateful. Then it has like dear diary, today I, and then you know, put what you want to put. And it's practically like the little things like that. I think I have it like for like 5 days. I write Monday through Friday. I have it on there, and then for the next week I have like my little grateful journal, and then I have like 5 days of what I had going on, and like a digital cookbook for myself, because I have like a whole bunch of recipes that I have on like in my notes on my phone, and I want to have them like on one specific spot. So what I'm thinking about doing is just probably just going on Canva, typing them out, and then saving them, and then once I get them to where I want to, then I'll just like edit it and all that stuff, and I put them in a book, so that way I won't have to keep going through my notes, flipping, trying to find it. I'm so in love with this, and I cannot wait to get like the little keyboard to go with it. But I was going to actually order, well, I still plan on ordering the keyboard, but I don't know if I want to get it from Amazon, or do I want to get it from AliExpress? Because the one at AliExpress is out, it's like, it's a keypad and it comes with the little mouse. But the one on Amazon is just the keypad, it doesn't come with the mouse. So I still have to find the USB, not USB, HDMI cord, excuse me, so that I can actually plug up this to the monitor to see if I can see it that way. Or maybe try to find like one where I can have like multiple ports, and I can just pop this up and then just let it reflect onto the big screen. Make some cookies today. My mom bought some of like the Pillsbury cookies, but since I made my own, I kind of prefer mine to the Pillsbury ones. So I mean, I have everything that I need, so I might just go ahead and make the dough. For me, the dough tastes better like once after you make it, then you put it in the fridge or freezer, and you let it freeze, and then you let it thaw back out. It tastes so freaking good, y'all. Like, it tastes really, really good. And if I do decide to make it, I probably just like record it so you guys can see what's going on. And if you want to try to make them, then you have like a little tutorial on how to make them. But yeah, I'm still on the fence about doing this since we already have a thing of cookies already open. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make them or not, but I kind of do because they're really good. so I'm torn about that. Okay, y'all, my stuff from Amazon just came, and I want to do an unboxing with y'all, so I can see this is a box. I'm gonna open it really quickly. Hopefully everything is in this box. Like zip box is this BT Art box nail. This is the nail. Is it like the nail glue? But it's the one that you actually cure under the lamp. I wanted to give us a try and see if that will work. And they come in this little bottle like this. So this weekend I'm going to be doing my nails. Give myself a little pedicure. So I'm going to let you guys know how this turns out. I will have everything linked down below. The next thing I have is, of course, this case. It's a really, really pretty color. So I'm going to for sure put this on my iPad. Hopefully it fits. Because this is like, it's round, and you know the iPad is square, so hopefully it fits. I did get a stylus pen. They said it was compatible with it, so yeah, I'm gonna give this a try, and then I'll let you guys know about this as well. And the last thing is the screen protector, and it's a 2-pack. I didn't even know it was a 2-pack. I thought it was just one, so that's even better. They did a 2-pack, and I'm gonna go slap this on my iPad right now. And then once I get everything set up, then I'll come back and we can activate this stylus pen and see does it work with my iPad.